Welcome, thank you for joining us today. Today we're going to be viewing a stunning property right in the heart of St. Pete, mid-century home. Nice and open concept, I can't wait to show you. My name is Kristen D'Antono. I'm with Ingo & Volker's Lisa Erickson Group. Let's go take a look. This home is truly an entertainer's dream. You know, from every detail in this kitchen, wide open space, tons of natural light, lots of counter space to host your parties and friends and family so they can join you. I didn't even mention that there is an entire private pool with a tiki bar and lounge area outside as well. Thank you again for joining us today for our tour of this stunning property in St. Pete. If you have questions about this property or any other in St. Pete or surrounding area, please reach out at your earliest convenience. Again, I'm Kristen D'Antono. My number is 727-902-1897. I'm with Ingo & Volker's and Lisa Erickson Group. Also, please don't forget to hit subscribe. Thank you.